Full start, valves closed. All right, well, today's the day, guys. One of my biggest pet peeves with the F82 is the terrible sounding exhaust. Like, it's not too bad, but it's bad enough as to where it needs some kind of upgrade, and that's where this Turner Motorsports exhaust comes into play. Right here, baby. We got it. We're gonna make this car sound a lot better than what it does. Yeah, I think that was one of my biggest issues with this car, is the way it sounds. Let's open these boxes and see what we got on the inside. This seems like a mid, and this seems like an exhaust, so yeah, let's see what we got here, boy. Exhaust on the 335i. This exhaust clamp thing. This thing will come in handy. Should make the job a lot easier. Yeah. Let's see what we got inside this box here, my friends. Oh, yeah. Ah. There it goes. Let's get this out of the wrapper so that, oh man. What? You know, you go to like a toy store or something like that, and I don't know if you guys remember toy stores or whatever it is, but back in the day there used to be such thing called Children's Palace, Toys R Us. You went in there, it was filled with toys. That's how I feel right now. Oh, resonator. Good, it's not gonna be too loud. Thank you. Thank you. Sorry. I don't like my exhaust sounding so loud that I can't hear myself think. I wanna be able to at least hear a little bit of my thoughts. I wanna hear myself laugh while I'm driving, and that exhaust is burbling. Yeah! Boy, we mid pipes. All right, let's get to work, man. That looks solid. So, last box is this brown box right here. Whew. This goes from the cats to the resonator to the the cats to the resonator to the exhaust. Where are the tips? Or is it in this brown box? Yeah, I think that's what these are. 4 tips. Yep. It's massive. Bro. This thing is gonna sound menacing. Menacing. All right, so we are underneath.
Something is not right.
The M4, and we need to remove this brace and a couple of the anti-vibration rubber things. And once we remove those, this thing should come down. We also need to remove this.
Dude, this is not what I'm looking for.
All right.
You don't have it. I need these, a set of these.
Set of what?
A set of these.
Isn't that what do you call this thing? Isn't that Allen's?
Yeah, but yeah, it's Allen. I haven't talked that much.
Huh?
It's not talked that much.
Yeah, it's really not.
Where's the air coming off from?
All right, cool. I can watch you here. Okay.
Alright.
I'll just leave that there. What do you got?
Alright, now we need to tackle here. Because this is the only place that I am really worried about.
Understood.
Is over here. Because it's so rusty.
Yeah.
Yeah, because of the rust. Everything else should be just straightforward.
Yep.
Yeah. So let's start working here.
All right.
And we leave this one. Go there.
All right.
Okay.
I don't know why you want to use a wrench. I would just use the big boy and just get it out of the way.
No, because it may damage the teeth. So I don't think it's wiser.
I'm only recording like little portions of this. Did you bring your laptop?
No.
Okay.
Why?
I just wanted to transfer the data from.
I'll be too distracted and just focus on working on the laptop. Cause I was about to, but I didn't want to because my mind would be focused to go work on the laptop because remember I said I was looking for the way to edit the tune.
Yeah.
So my mind will always be focused. I have a laptop here. I don't want to go work on that.
Trying to
work
on tuning something, huh?
I was just like, no, I'm here for something else.
Okay.
I want to focus on that. Yeah, that's why I didn't bring it. Here I need something that could go back and forth.
It's already moving.
No, it's out already. I just need something that will make it move faster. Good.
It's good. We'll worry about all the little issues later on. As for now, let's see if we can get this. Yep.
I think from here I may need the power tool.
Yep.
Number 10.
There. Just light as brightest. Oh, that you can magnetize. How much was this light?
The box is like $70. Very cheap.
I need to go back and get one of these lights for myself.
I swear.
Since it's magnet, you can put it anywhere.
It's just so convenient.
I thought you were going to use a power tool.
You use power tool after you break it loose.
I don't.
the reason I'm doing that is because it's rusty.
Yeah, I know.
So
I understand. I understand.
All right, brother. The exhaust is getting done.
Yes, sir.
This is the only part I was worried
about, right?
Yeah. Because this is the one that is rusty. Look how rusty it is.
Yeah.
Show the people how rusty that is.
That's a rusty guy, man. So where are you keeping them? Because it seems like
I'm keeping them here.
Okay, good. So I'm keeping them here.
But
too.
I don't think we have to use these because they're supposed to supply with whatever. Okay. Let me drop this here.
What?
Great. I say great. Okay.
So where's the rest of them? There should be 4.
Yeah.
I see the one for these right here.
Yeah, there should be 4, but you should have 3.
I have 2.
You have 2?
All right, so we're using the jack to hold the what do you call it in place? The exhaust in place. So far, so good. We are. It's almost down. So let's keep going.
That we're going to take care of as well. So we only good part. I think what was really concerning was the rusty part.
Yeah.
Now that we've taken care of the rusty part, I think the rest will just be straightforward, really. Okay. Sacrificial.
You know what I don't see on this one? You see how I can control the valves with that? There's one on this side and there's one on the other side.
Yeah.
I'm guessing we have to take that off and put it on this one. Let me check and see.
You don't have valves.
There's no valve control on
Which
this?
valves do you have there? Let's see.
I don't think there is.
No valves?
Wait, there is a...
Doesn't come with valves.
Come on, bro.
Yeah, you don't have valves.
So I guess I'll have to tuck it.
So this one, you just have to, we're going to hang it, just leave it.
Yeah.
We're just going to, like the way I did mine, I just connected it, I didn't remove it.
Yeah.
And it won't give you any cord. Just leave it, yeah.
Oh, that
You
sucks.
leave it connected and then we just tap the zip tie.
Huh.
That guarantee is not going to give you any cord.
I thought this one had valves.
Valves? Yeah, I made sure my exhaust, I mean the muffler that I got, it has valves and it's electronically controlled valves.
Yeah, I thought...
Yeah. Then it will use the OEM function. I don't like the ones with the remote.
Oh, so no, this is going to use the OEM, right?
Which one?
This. Or I just
Yours?
lose that function.
You're going to lose it.
So it's just going to be loud 24/7.
Yes. Because I don't see the control there. We checked everything. Yeah.
I don't see it either.
So just let me know if you see one of my problems with it.
Now let's just keep going. This is
Oh no!
No,
Oh,
it's here.
There is.
Yeah.
Yeah. It uses the OEM.
Okay.
The OEM connector.
Ooh,
All right.
boy.
We're good.
Good.
Let's use the OEM stuff. All right.
All right, let's continue. That thing is a pain in the behind. When I was working on the 335, that was one of my biggest problems. But I think I took off the I took off the whole thing, like right there.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking too.
I took off the whole thing, and then we use that later on.
That's what I'm thinking too.
Yeah, but I'm gonna go ahead and remove these up here. Figure out this BMW clip.
You ready?
I'm lowering it.
You ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Go.
Oh, there it goes. Oh.
Hold it and pull it. Pull it. Pull it. It's heavy.
Hold on.
Put it back. 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 Put it back.
It's on something, isn't it?
No, put it back. Brother, wait. Tell me. I'm okay.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm good.
All right.
Hang on. Wait. All right. Pull. No, pull it. You went too fast.
Yeah, because I didn't want it to like
Go ahead.
crush you.
Yeah, go ahead. You got it?
Got it.
Hang on. All right. All right. All right. There we go. Yeah. It's out. It's out.
It is out.
Out.
Thank you, sir.
Take it out. There we go. All right, now let me take out.
All right, so do you want to move it to that side and start putting all the stuff on?
Move what? This?
Yeah. All right. Okay, guys. So the stock exhaust is out. And the only thing we need to do now is remove these rubber parts from the stock exhaust and put them on the aftermarket exhaust. We also have to remove the electronic valve control from here and put them on the other exhaust. And we'll see you guys in a bit.
You mind charging this thing?
No, not a problem.
Yeah.
Okay, so at first I thought we were missing some parts, but I started to look around and we found one of all of the pieces that we need to put the exhaust valve actuators on. Also, you're going to need this, it's an extension for the actuator to help it reach turn, the little part that closes the exhaust. Because I was looking for it and I was just like, hold on, this isn't gonna fit. I was like, why would they make something that wouldn't fit? But I knew they wouldn't let your boy down. So right now we are at the part where we're dragging the first section and we're about to put it in place. And we're just gonna keep on moving. Okay, so one of the things that I'm struggling with is the seal for the exhaust. Let's see, let's squeeze our way back under here. I don't know why this thing is giving me like the hardest time, but let me see if I can show you guys what I'm talking about. This seal that goes around the exhaust, we have to make sure it's on there flush so that we can put this, so that we can get this on. So I'm gonna continue to struggle with this, and I'll be back. Okay, so it's a bit tricky, and you have to kind of squeeze these two pieces together and just slowly tighten them on. And I have to try and get up in here and up in, where's the other one? Right there. Get in there. It's a bit tricky because this is kind of loose, so you have to squeeze it together. So I'm gonna get my vise and just try and clamp them down together and then put the screws on. Okay, so I finally got the seal in. I got one up here, I got a bolt up here, and I'm gonna slowly go like this side, and then up in here, and then this side, and then just slowly close it all together. This one was really giving me a problem because this part right here moves. And when this moves, you're just like, hold up, it was okay a second ago, like what happened? So you gotta squeeze it together and just slowly start to bolt them down. Okay, so now all we have to do is get the exhaust valve actuators in. There's this one, and there's another one on the other side. And then tighten everything up, and then we can start this up. All right, so with the 335 exhaust, I didn't have this tool right here to remove the exhaust hangers and stuff like that. So I actually left some of them off. So in the future, I'm gonna be removing, see, this was tough to get off without this, but we still have another one here that I need to get off. I need to get off this one here and bring the 335 back in here and do the same thing. I don't know what I'm gonna do with these exhausts, but I gotta get this out of the way. Also, shout out to Alon for like coming over and helping out. He did stay here for like almost 12 hours. It was the same injector day. I did the injectors earlier that day, and then he removed the exhaust. He did the second half, so thank you very much for helping me out with that. Let's get this thing started, man. Let's hear it.